Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. Hope you're all doing well. Today we'll be sharing our experience of repairing Fold 4 with Samsung. So a quick recap for those of you who haven't watched my first video, and I'll leave the link in the description box for your information. So my Fold 4's inner screen suddenly went black and stopped working. However, the front screen was still working, although it was quite laggy from time to time after the inner screen stopped working. So when the screen suddenly went black, I didn't realize how bad the problem was. My husband tried both soft and hard reset. Nothing helped. We then contacted Samsung via online chat, and the online technician who went through online diagnostic recommended to try several other things on the phone, which also made no difference. So they recommended that we book the phone in for a physical diagnostic with the Samsung Repair Center. So we booked our repair slot with Samsung Experience Store in Stratford, Westfield, and here are the footages of that diagnostic with the in-store Samsung technician. At the end, you'll also see the fully repaired phone looking brand new, and we'll share our whole experience of the repair process. So do watch the full video. It looks like there's a new screen capture. So it might be somehow some impact has created on the hinge that it has fallen a bit and give a pressure on the cables. And when the cables stop communicating with the motherboard, that's what happens. Yeah. So
I mean,
if that's the case,
it just happened very, very suddenly. It's just 1 minute working.
So if that's the case, the warranty is applicable because I don't see any physical damage on the device that will cause such an impact. Yeah, I was actually working on it, and about 10 minutes later, when I went to work on it, it just stopped working. So so I will book in for a warranty repair. So this one, it will change the hinge, the screen, and the battery.
You will change the hinge as well?
Yeah, because the hinge is the main cause why the impact of the cable is not communicating with the motherboard. But once we change the hinge, the screen and the battery have to go together because they are all in one piece.
So the phone will be fully intact, and obviously this one's IP rated, and that will remain IP rated.
Yeah. So we'll get a new battery, I'm assuming. You'll get new battery, new screen, and a new hinge. Okay. Because of the hinge problem. Okay. And the hinge problem is because the cable is connecting this screen and that screen in the inside from here to here, crossing each other. Yeah. So the cable is hairline thin. Oh. So whatever pressure on the hinge, it might cause the hinge to press on the cable. Yeah. And when it snaps or when it break a bit, it stop the communication to the motherboard, and that's when the screen is not responding. Makes sense. Yeah. So when that happens, we have to not just change the broken cable or whatever. We need to change the screen because the screen already. We need to change the hinge because the hinge is already fallen down. Yeah. So when we change the hinge is glued together with the screen and battery. Yeah. So it's all in one piece. So we have to take out the whole thing, put the whole thing. Okay. Great. Thank you. So I'll book it in for that repair. 3 to 5 days. Yeah. All right. Thank you. So guys, 5 days later, we're here to collect our fully repaired phone. We did get notified yesterday that the phone is ready to collect, but we couldn't make it yesterday. So really it took 3 days to repair the phone. So I was very pleased to get my phone back so quickly, and also impressed by their efficiency. So let's check out the phone, and when I get home, I'll show you the phone more in detail. Yeah. It's yours now, it's not ours anymore. That's it. And then you hold on to this. This is like proof of that you got it done here, okay? Yeah. If anything happens within 3 months, just let us know, okay? Brilliant. Thank you. All right, done. Thank you. Sorry. That's okay. No, okay. Thank you. Bye. Brand new inner screen, brand new battery. Outer screen is still the same. The frame itself is still the same. So in effect, it's pretty much a brand new phone, right? The technician Maggie who served us was very efficient as well, and quickly diagnosed and resolved the situation for us. So here we are. When we go home, we're gonna put it on and check it out. Okay guys, so I'm home now with the device and looking at it. Obviously they told me
the inner screen is going to be brand new, including battery. But looking at it, obviously the hinge was also going to be new. But looking at it, it seems like even the frame is brand new. If you look at it, can you see they've got film on all the way around? There's no scratches or anything. There was some scratches, but I can't see any. So it seems like the frame itself is new, and the front screen seems like brand new to me as well. We had a screen protector, a couple of scratches on the front screen as well, but I can't see anything, no screen protector, so I'm gonna have to get a new screen protector for the front as well. And the back, I think the only thing that hasn't been changed is the back. When I open it, it feels like when I first got it, brand new. It's quite sturdy when I open it. I have to pull it. Similar to a bit of a stiffness I can feel, but it feels good. I did get some comments on the previous video when I uploaded, when the screen first went. There were some people who saying they had the similar experience where they've actually also got the replacement and it felt good when they opened it, and I feel exactly the same way. It actually feels good when you open it, just like brand new. So when the screen first went, I was really stressed, and the thought of having to pay for a repair and how Samsung would deal with it, I was actually taken by surprise how efficiently they dealt with. When I called up, they gave us a slot, while you wait slot, to see if they can diagnose while I wait and fix it. We went to the appointment. They actually checked it straight away, and within like I think few minutes they told us they'll have to send it off. When the technician went through the process with us, she did tell us they're going to remove the whole middle screen and replace it, and along with that the battery will be replaced because it's attached together. She did say we'll have a new hinge as well, which I can clearly see is a new hinge, but I didn't realize we're going to get a new front screen as well. So I'm pretty pleased with the whole outcome. When I did give it in for repair, I was really worried that, you know, when they put the new screen on and so forth, if there's going to be imperfection, because obviously when something's brand new and then something breaks and you mend, it's not exactly perfect or look the same, but it actually looks brand new item. When I gave the phone for repair, I was also worried about the IP rating for water resistant, but they did assure me that the new phone, when they repair it, it will be same IP rating for the water resistance, so I've got no worries about that. So I'm very pleased with the whole process of having my phone repaired, and the warranty actually covered. And it had this phone came with a 2-year warranty with Samsung Care, I think, so that covered it. I didn't have to pay anything. The whole process was really good. We went in, they took it in, they kept us updated throughout the process. We took it on the 29th, and today's the 3rd of September, so 4 days, I think, yeah, 5 days, and we've got the phone back. So great job done by Samsung in terms of efficiency and communication as well. So thank you. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have had any experience with Samsung in terms of repairing your phone, do share your experiences with us in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.